In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export 4K vertical video in Premiere Pro. Because right now we are in Premiere Pro, but we've got a landscape video. So I'm going to show you essentially how you can change these settings to portrait and then export in 4K. Now it's important to note you really need to record in 4K. If you record in 1080p and then export in 4K, it's not going to be true 4K. It's going to be useless. So here's what you need to do. So open up Premiere Pro and start a new project, and then you need to drag on your clip. So you can do that by going to project on the media browser and then dragging in your clips that way, or you can open up a file explorer and find your clip that way. Either way, get your clip on the timeline. Now, if your clip isn't in portrait format already, you are going to need to change it. And to change it, you need to go to sequence, then go to sequence settings. And then once you're here, you can customize the frame rate and all of these other settings in here to your liking. But the most important setting is going to be the dimensions setting. And by default, if you shot in 4K, you will have 3840 by 2160. And this is going to be in the 16:9 format. Now, what we need to do is just swap the two numbers around. So 3840 is going to go to the right and 2160 is going to go to the left. So we'll write here 2160 in the first one and then 3840 in the second one. And then it should change to 9:16. Click OK to any preview. And then you can see now we're in the portrait format. So now we'll click on our clip and then we'll go to Effect Controls. And if you don't have this, go to Window, then look for Effect Controls. Now we can go ahead and go to Scale. And if you click on it, it will open this box where you can drag and make it bigger. Or if you go to this 100 number, you can then slide this to the right and it's going to make this bigger. And then if you go to position, you've got the number on the left, which is going to be left or right. And you can then obviously position your clip however it needs to be. So that looks good for me. So just check your clip, make sure everything's all good. And then you need to obviously export it. So I'm just going to actually cut out a small segment of my clip. So I'm going to actually clip the end. So we're going to pull this in here. And we'll just cut a very small segment. So we'll cut all of this off the end here. So we'll have our clip. Now you need to mark where you want to export. So click I on the keyboard and that's going to mark in. And then you can drag this here, this blue line to the start of your clip. Then click O on the keyboard and that's going to select out. And you can see this blue line which ends. Select it to the end of your clip. So here we go. We've now got the clip selected. Now you need to go File, you need to go Export, Media. Then we can see still it's in 4K. And if we look down here, you can see it's going to be in 4K. And these are the dimensions, 25 FPS. That's what I recorded in. And the preset is going to be match source. So the source is already 4K, which is fine. Make sure you're on H.264. This is going to be the best video for YouTube and all online media, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Then you can click on your file name or location, and you can obviously choose to put it somewhere. I'm going to just put it in my desktop. Then we'll click save and then export. And there you go. It's now going to export this video in 4K. There you go. That was successful. And you can then go ahead and find the video, but that's how you would do it. I hope that helped.